What's going on, everybody? Unfortunately, today we're ice fishing, not hunting. Have a first time out on the lake on the ice this year. So, doing pretty good. Got a tip up out already. Checking the depths of the lake right now. Going from there, starting out.
They're going home.
Huh?
They're going home already.
Well, they're probably here for a while. So I was gonna go live today, but unfortunately I can't because there's no service up here where I'm at. You'd think being on top of the world up here where I am, you'd have all the service in the world, but nope, not here.
Dad, when the tip up goes off, I have to go like this.
Yeah.
Because if I pick my foot up and go like this, I'm gonna fall down. You're gonna rip a hole in your pants if you swim. I already did.
So there's about 7 to 8 inches of ice where we're at today.
Corbin.
We stopped at a different spot to check that. Well, unfortunately, there was only maybe 3 inches. Kids weren't comfortable with fishing it, so we decided to come up to this spot instead.
Austin. Look, there's holes over there.
If you want, you guys can, well, if he actually, oh, he's just moving, he's not moving.
Yeah, we could still go to that hole. If we want what, Dad?
Give me a minute.
This one? Oh, just a big one. Just a big one.
I was gonna say, if you wanted, when the guys leave, you can run over with your jigging rods and jig the hole.
There's a hole right there.
We're only in like 12, 13 foot of water. So not that bad.
I wonder what the first fish we're gonna catch. I'm gonna guess it's gonna be a bass. I'm gonna guess like a lake trout.
Let's say perch, baby, perch.
Oh, perch. I love perch.
Big old fat, healthy perch.
The big one. I want you to get the biggest one.
It stays in my hand.
Oh, so that. Okay. Austin. What the heck?
In there. Tip up number 2.
Oh, now I can. The sun was there when I said that. You almost died.
There's 2 of them out. Here we go. We're fishing now. Corbin. You got Austin there in the back jigging. A couple other guys out in the lake too. It's about 7, 8 inches of ice. Not bad for the first time. So this kicks off the ice fishing season. Stick around. We have Austin guarding the tip-ups, making sure none of the tip-ups go off. Tip-up patrol. Couple flags out. We got just the waiting game now. Woo! Austin got a bass. That was a nice one. Bass. Yeah, that's nice. Awesome. Good catching.
Come in.
Guys, as my tip hook blows away, I'm checking the depth of the ice here. Yeah, you're right around like 7 inches.
Oh God.
So 7 inches of ice, plenty thick enough to fish
Oh God.
and safe enough. Good luck.